The video of bringing in squeegee.
Okay.
So I'm going to take the liner off, okay?
Ready?
So, ready? Okay. So you peel the liner. When you peel the liner, you make sure the film is completely wet. No dry spots, okay? Because if there's any dry spots, whatever it grabs, it's going to hold, okay? Now I can either do the Frankenstein or I can do the pinch, okay? It doesn't matter. What really matters is that when I bring the film to the glass, I want to bring the edge of the film below the edge of the glass over here. I don't want it to pass the glass, okay? Now I'm going to bring inside the channel, slide it inside the channel until it gives me enough room on that side to drop it. And now I just adjust it and it's in place with no struggle. That's what you're looking for. So you have to be below the edge of the glass, on the glass, so it goes inside of the channel. As you go about a ½ inch inside the channel, it will give you enough space to drop it and it's done, okay?